So in my opinion, one of the best ways to generate sales calls and close deals is still cold email outreach. But it's getting more and more complicated to actually build a successful cold email machine because Google, Microsoft, Zoho, they're all cracking down on people using their platforms on, sending cold email. And they don't like that people like you and me, agency owners, are sending huge amounts of emails to cold prospects. So how do we fight this? Luckily, there's a solution that I've been using and testing for the last 5 months or so. And in this video, I want to share the new setup I've been using, which is much cheaper than going with Google or Microsoft, and it works much better because you're not getting your accounts banned. I know you don't have to deal with Google's restrictions. Here's the old way of setting up a cold email machine. First, you have to buy domains at Namecheap or whenever. For around $14 each. You can get them cheaper, but that's around the baseline that I purchased my domains with the old setup. And at bare minimum, you will need 10 domains. That would set you back around $140. Then after that's done, you need to buy G Suite inboxes for each of the domains. I usually set 2 inboxes per domain. That means on 10 domains we can set up 20 inboxes at $7.49 each. That's $149. Then you need a sending platform like Instantly. Instantly costs $99. Nothing crazy here. And that brings us to grand total of $388 or $249 monthly. This of course doesn't take into the consideration the long and tedious setup times. And if you've set up G Suite inboxes, you will know that you have to manually configure each inbox. First of all, SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records, and then on each inbox you also have to configure, the actual inboxes to be able to set them up with instantly, right? So that's a huge time sink, and I hate doing that. And at the end, we have sending capacity of around 600 emails per day, which is not bad. If you know what you're doing, you can still generate meetings with 600 emails sent per day, but that's not too many. Anyways, the new way to build the cold email machine, get this: you buy 20 domains for $10 each. That's $200. You build 3 inboxes on each for free, and I'll show you how to do this, and then connect it to Instantly. And then your sending capacity is 1,800 emails per day. Total monthly cost $199. And before I show you how to set this up, I want to show you some of the results I've been generating with this exact system here in Instantly. This is one of the old campaigns we run. As you can see, 936 contacted, 11% reply rate is pretty good, 19 opportunities. Then 206 contacted with a super laser focused campaign, 9% reply rate, 3 opportunities. And then 400 contacted, 13% reply rate, 30 opportunities. So not bad at all, right? So how do we actually set this up? To do it, we'll need a service called InfoMail, which is kind of a new service, and their value proposition is that you send emails 700% faster and get 10x more sales calls. I don't know about 10x more, but if you set up enough inboxes, you definitely get 10x more, sales calls. But their huge advantage over going the traditional route of setting up G Suite inboxes is that you don't have to set up the inboxes themselves. You don't have to manually set up records, SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. They do it all for you automatically. And what you do at the end of the day is just upload the file to Instantly, and your inboxes are set up, ready to go. And the setup with this platform couldn't be easier. As I mentioned, you don't have to set up records yourself. All you do is provide them with information through this step-by-step setup process. You just let them know what names you want for the emails, where they should redirect, all that stuff. Then it generates a file for you. You download that file, go back to Instantly here, add new, click this button, import from CSV, and then you just import the file that they actually generate for you. And that's it. It takes like 10 minutes max to set up 20 inboxes. I'm not kidding. All it takes to set up 20 inboxes is like 5 minutes of your time. Then you download the file at the end, you upload it here, and you're done. Your inboxes are ready to go. Literally it. That's literally it. And you're done. That's literally it. That's 20 minutes of your time total to set up a huge cold email machine that's capable of sending 1,800 emails per day. And get this, it will set you back just $99. And with that subscription, you can create unlimited amount of inboxes. You don't have to pay for individual inboxes. You only pay for the domains, which is a third-party service. But when you purchase domains, creating the actual inboxes is free. You can create as many as you want, and you're not limited as you are with Gmail or Outlook, right? So if you want to get started and try this out for yourself, I have a link in my description. If you purchase through me, I get a little kickback. But yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know how it goes